The UK is a long-standing and staunch supporter of the International Law Commission and its invaluable work. And that's why we've put forward one of our very finest legal minds, Professor Dapo Akande, to serve on the Commission.
I am delighted and honoured to be the United Kingdom's candidate for the International Law Commission 2021 and to have the opportunity to shape the future of international law. I have over 25 years of legal experience and I'm currently Professor of International Law at the University of Oxford.
Professor Akande is an unparalleled depth and breadth of excellence that makes him a true leader in his field. He has pedigree of professional experience before the world's most prominent courts, such as the International Court of Justice and the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea.
I have also taught and contributed to the academic development of international law in Africa, Asia, Europe and the Americas. Engaging deeply with a wide range of views from across the world has sharpened my own legal thinking and reinforced my own appreciation of working collectively.
But he's also a prolific jurist and author. He wrote the Oxford Guide to International Humanitarian Law and Oppenheim's International Law on the United Nations. And I think that shows his knowledge, his experience, and the depth and range of his expertise.
Rooted in this experience, my vision is clear. The codification and progressive development of international law can strengthen the rules on which international cooperation is based and help promote a just and peaceful system of international relations.
And I'm confident, I truly believe that Professor Akande will make an absolutely outstanding member of the International Law Commission. He's not just the very best of British, he is one of the very best internationally. So Britain is proud to nominate him, and I hope you'll join me in supporting his candidacy for the International Law Commission.